Underneath the silver moon, hearts align. Quiet night, your eyes they shine. Whisper secrets, embrace so tight. By your side, I found what's right. Stars above, they paint the sky. Hand in hand, just you and I. Every moment feels like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms, I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together, just you and me. In the dark, we find our way. Feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant. Every touch a sure romance. We dance in shadows of the moon. Hearts in rhythm, perfect tune. Promise made under the stars. Distance now, never far. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms, I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together, just you and me. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms, I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together, just you and me. Late night city, neon glow. Heartbeats facing, ready to go. The world's a canvas, painted bright. We're dancing shadows, lost in the night. Every heartbeat's a countdown. Feel the magic spinning and around. We'll chase the stars, let go of the past. In this electric moment, we'll make it last. Grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh, we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment, we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. The music's pumping, hearts align. In the crowd, you're forever mine. Lost in the sound, we'll take the lead. This love's a wildfire, it's all we need. We'll dance through shadows, light the way. In the chaos, we'll always stay. With every glance, the spark ignites. We're the champions of these nights. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh, we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment, we're alive. Electric dreams, we will fly. When the world gets heavy and shadows fall, we'll rise together, we'll never stop. With every heartbeat, we're breaking through. This is our anthem, me and you. So let's light the night with colors so bold. With every story together, we'll unfold. No limits here, just endless skies. In this electric love, we'll always rise. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. journey, it's written in the bars. With every heartbeat, we'll break the night. In electric dreams, everything feels right. Forever we'll dance, forever we'll glow. In this electric world, we'll let it flow. We're living in electric dreams, together forever, or so it seems.
In the quiet of the evening glow, when shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn, through the storms in the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In the symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn, through the storms in the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In the symphony, we're all as one. In the silence, hear the echoes of dreams unfulfilled, of untold fates. But we'll shatter the limits, we'll rewrite the rules. With the heart of a lion, we'll rise above fools. For every moment lost, there's a chance to regain. In the fire of our spirits, we'll dance in the rain. Together we'll stand, unyielding, unbound. With the strength of the countless, we'll roar, we'll be loud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn, through the storms in the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. And when the horizon is painted in gold, we'll gather the memories and stories we hold. In the laughter and tears, the lessons we learn. With each step we take, our passion is burned. The world may challenge, but we'll never fall. With the strength of our dreams, we can conquer it all. So let's raise our voices, let's sing out loud. In the choir of the brave, let's stand proud.
Underneath the silver moon, hearts align. Quiet night, your eyes they shine. Whisper secrets, embrace so tight. dreams that feel so right. Every kiss a melody, together just you and me. Late night city, neon glow, heartbeats racing, ready to go. The world's a canvas, painted bright. We're dancing shadows, lost in the night. Every heartbeat's a countdown. Feel the magic spinning and around. We'll chase the stars, let go of the past. In this electric moment, we'll make it last. Grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh, we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing